Semiconductors are an essential component of electronic devices used in everyday life. Cohu develops solutions to test and inspect these devices' functionality and reliability. We are leading the charge to make 5G wireless technology more accessible to everyone. Advances in artificial intelligence are enabling a smart world for future generations. Semiconductors are helping to enable a more habitable planet and drive the next industrial revolution with efficient factory automation features. Advances in medical technology are helping to save and improve lives with smart monitoring devices and wearables and robotic-assisted surgeries. Advanced automotive sensors for detection and safety maneuvers are bringing autonomous driving to our cities. Cohu's test system solutions include our pick-and-place automation handlers with active thermal control technology. This active thermal control technology dynamically removes heat from devices during testing to maintain temperature control and reduce test time and yield loss for our customers. Our inspection and metrology platforms feature full six-sided inspection technology that distinguishes microcracks from scratches on devices, improving yield. Our unique force limitation is optimized for small form factor device processing at high speed. And our infrared technology can see through silicon, improving inspection yield and reducing scrap. Cohu's semiconductor testers are an air-cooled universal platform that can test the entire signal chain with high-throughput production. They require no compressed air or water-chilled cooling, enabling manufacturers to produce more devices with a smaller factory footprint and lower energy consumption. Our interface solutions provide the electrical interface between the semiconductor tester and the device presented by the test handler. The interface probe pins create a physical connection between the tester and the device to test its electrical properties and basic functionality. Data analytics software optimizes Cohu's overall equipment efficiency by collecting data from the test handler fleet, using monitoring and visualization tools for data-driven factories. Predictive maintenance provides data analysis of system health issues, isolates the root cause, and recommends step-by-step actions for maintenance personnel. AI inspection software provides real-time computations that enable semiconductor manufacturers to improve visual inspection accuracy at production speeds. Cohu's suite of solutions test and inspect semiconductors that enable the worldwide adoption of advancing technologies. The world is getting smarter, safer, and more connected at an accelerated pace. And we are here to enable this revolution.